Hello, my name is Sean Edwards. I'm from Nottingham. When I first visited Antalya, I looked online, obviously, read all the recommendations, picked out Smile Dental. Since I arrived, perfect from the minute I got here. I was picked up by a transfer, very nice, very pleasant. The hotel, a very, very beautiful boutique hotel, very clean. The staff, very attentive. Anything you need, it was easy. You just ask and you get. The next step, obviously, turning up at the dentist. Everybody welcomed me very, very well. I was very pleasant. The place is very beautiful, very clean. Like I say, anything you need, they're here to help. All my treatments, I've had all my teeth out. I've had 12 implants put in, and I've had my beautiful, what I would say, beautiful teeth, which I'm very, very happy with. Yeah, basically I would recommend Smile Dental to anybody concerned. It's not a problem. They look after you absolutely brilliantly, 100%. I'm very happy. So that's me. Thank you very much.